Hey guys, Cameron over at 816 Diesel, bringing you a cold start walk around video today. About 15 degrees out, snow and ice on the ground. It is as cold gets in wintertime here in Kansas City. And I've got for you today a 2005 Ford F250 crew cab short bed FX4 Lariat truck. Obviously it's got a lot going on with it. We're going to go in and out and under it today and show you everything. But just want to let you know it is freezing cold out and this truck has not ran yet today, so we will be doing a cold start here. Oop, I gotta find the keys. Oh, they're already in it, I'm sure. Sorry, this cold gets me discombobulated. Oh, they were not in it. There they are. So on the miles with this truck, 176,408. Cold. Wait till starts off. Truck fires right up. This is a very nice truck. You know, we try to bring nothing but the nicest, best trucks to the market, and we usually hit the nail right on the head. Pretty cool truck all around. Does not have a sunroof. It's got all the options but the sunroof. We've got a Kenwood in-dash double dent, Bluetooth, iPod, backup camera, all that good stuff. Digital climate control, AC and heat, four-wheel drive. Let's see what else we got here. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It has the upgraded steering wheel with all your HVAC commands, your volume, cruise control. All in all, nice truck. Doesn't have any check engine lights. Of course, we don't send anything out that way. Doesn't have any mechanical issues. We've serviced it here at 816 Diesel head to toe. We have customized it. The truck was lifted by the previous owner. We did not install the lift kit. I'm going to talk about the lift kit a little bit while we're inside the cab here, just because A, it's warm, and B, it's quiet. So we are running a fully adjustable DirtLogic FabTech lift kit on this truck. It is one of the most expensive lift kits on the market as far as mainline lift kits. It has the nitrogen shock reservoirs. It is an adjustable coilover front suspension, so you can actually change the ride height if you want to level it out or rake it up or bring it down, whatever you're using the truck for. You have the options to do whatever you'd like with this lift kit, and it rides amazing. This truck is lifted right now about 6.5 inches on 37s and 20-inch Mayhem wheels, so it sits up there pretty good. Looks can be deceiving, but this truck is lifted quite high, but it's still a workhorse. It still rides awesome. Yeah, other than that, everything else pretty much the same stuff you see out of our camp. Blacked out headlights, tail lights, nice set of wheels and tires. The motor on this truck is stock. For 176, it's a well taken care of Powerstroke. It does not have ARP head studs or an EGR delete. It's just a stock motor the way Ford made it. Gray leather interior, no rips or tears, pretty nice condition, just a little bit of age wear. But yeah, other than that, let's go ahead and pop the hood and get to it. I'm gonna check out the front. We've got some cool goodies to go over with. It does come with a set of custom 816 Diesel built retrofit headlights where we do the RGB LED color shift on. Go ahead and get these turned on real quick. And we're going to put them on red. Okay. Sorry guys, I'm trying to do a lot with one hand here. It's always fun. Checking it for blow-by, absolutely none. Zero whatsoever. Exactly what you want to see right there. And we got the headlights are set on gold to match the wheels right now, but they are adjustable any color. They're RGB SMD LED headlights. Coolant's at a good level. Nice and clean under the hood. For a stock truck, it's everything you want to see. We've got a big old ranch hand style bumper with a winch mount in it, fog light holes. And like I said, we did Harley Davidson headlights with the clear corners, and we put the custom LEDs in them. Kind of hard to see them in the sunlight. They fade in and out almost, but they are bright. At nighttime, they're bright. They look like they're even pulsing on my camera. They're not. It's just the way the sun's hitting them. They're staying on all the time. It just looks weird on film. But anyways, we did update the mirrors to the 2008 Up style with the smoke corners, power everything except folding. Like I said, FabTech dirtlogic 4.0 lift kit. And this is where it's adjustable, so if you want to get more out of your lift, you can bring this down and raise the spring up. Or if you want to drop it down, you can bring that up and bring the spring up. So it is a 4-link kit, fully done up. Does have dual Rancho stabilizers up front. Now this wheel is new to the market. You see this wheel in the Jeep community a lot, but they started making it in 20s, so we decided to try them out. It is a Mayhem, I don't have the pattern number in front of me, it's a newer wheel. I'll put it in the link and information, but it's a 20 by 10 inch Mayhem with gold rivets and a bronze finish, and we're running a 37 1250 Amp all-terrain tire. Tires are brand new, 0 miles on them. As you can see, they still got all the lines on the tread and everything there. They have a 40,000 mile tread warranty. The truck's in pretty good shape. It has a couple little rock chips from being lifted, big tires. That comes off. Kind of hard to tell what's dirt and what isn't in this weather. It has the electronic keypad entry. Cab. This truck is virtually rust-free also. I'm going to go ahead and tell you that. Little bit on the cab corner starting on the surface. Very, very minor. No holes. Just a little hazing of rust. The bed rails are in good shape. Original, solid, not rotted out. Again, very minor surface haze of rust, but no crumbling, no cancer. Exactly what you want to see all the way through. Smoked LED third brake light, FX4 off-road package. And the tail lights have a minor tint on them. It's not a lot. We just we do it per vehicle, and this one just got a mild tint on the tail lights. Tailgate's in good shape. It's not beat up or dinged up. Do have some normal little scuffs and stuff, but nothing terrible. And let's see here. We do have a little smoke. I mean, it's like I said, 13, 14 degrees today with the wind chill, so it is cold out. Cold, cold, cold. A couple of rock chips above the exhaust there from the wheels and tires. The rust on this truck is immaculate. There's none on the bed right here. Usually this bed lip's all rusted out. Usually the rockers have some rust. This one is not the case. There's signs of it starting, but it is not bad at all. And you know what? I did forget something back here. This truck has a little damage above the tail light. Right here. And it looks like someone tried to fix it. Obviously we didn't. I wouldn't put my name on this work. But a little bit of Bondo there. You know, it's the size of 2 fingers. It's not huge. It is there. I didn't even notice it the first time, but I remember it because I've seen this truck, you know, quite a few times. With the exception of that though, that is it. There's no damage anywhere else on this truck. Leather interior is in great shape. Set of WeatherTech floor mats for this nasty weather to keep your truck carpets clean. We do have TVs in the headrests. I know nothing about them. I'm gonna try to turn them on. They turn on. And it has a video signal, so I'm assuming they work. I don't own a DVD here at the shop, so I haven't tried them. I don't know how that works with that Kenwood head unit. That previous owner did all that stuff, so the stereo's nice and it all turns on and powers on. That's about the extent of knowledge I can give you. Power adjustable seats. They are not heated seats though, but they are power adjustable. But yeah, as you can tell guys, this truck is a monster. It's beautiful. I mean, this thing gets compliments everywhere it goes. It has the look. Everything's right on it. It's not going to be around long. These black trucks done up all fancy, they usually sell quick. If you're interested in buying it, or if you just want to check it out, or if you have some questions, 816diesel.com is our website. That is where you should start off. You're going to find VIN number, HD pictures, all the information about the modifications. It's all listed on the website, and I'll include the wheels there too. 816 Diesel is our shop. We're down here in Kansas City, Missouri off I-35. 298-7030 is the shop number. Give us a call if you got any questions. Best way to get a hold of me though is the text line. You can text or call. It's my direct cell phone. 913-735-3748. My name's Cameron. Please guys, if you have any questions or need anything, don't be a stranger. Just give me a shout. I appreciate your time, and as always, stay safe and have a great week. Thank you.